Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. So guys, if you're trying to create Apple account but you're facing this issue and you are unable to create it, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general, and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time. Again, go back and go to language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, do this, and after this go back and go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open any browser and search here for iCloud.com or search for create Apple ID. You can search for both of them and then go to iCloud and then tap on sign in and then go to create your Apple account from here, and then you have to simply give here your details and create your Apple account using this website. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the account is created or not. And if the account is not created, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply create your account in any other latest device. So guys, you have to simply create your account using a latest device, and after that you can sign in your that account on your this device very easily. So guys, create your account in any other device and you can sign in your account to your device very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.